An International Medical Drug Buying Guide. Chapter 1. Buy drugs around the world. Drugs for sale worldwide. The FDA allows the entry of some drugs into the United States that are not approved there. People either bring them in when they enter after a trip or buy them through mail order/the internet. The FDA's policy on mail importation is that if there is no evidence of unreasonable risk, fraud, or promotion, permissive discretion may be applied in the product mailed providing the product is meant for personal use. There is just a 3-month supply. The intended use of the product is on the package. The patient ordering the product affirms in writing that it is for his or her personal use and provides the name of the doctor who recommended the product. The FDA's policy on importing drugs and their alert list of drugs they won't allow in is at fda.gov. If you're looking to buy controversial drugs, try local veterinary stores, animal health centers, survivalist-type stores, chemical supply houses, and check the ads out in such magazines as Popular Mechanics, Soldier of Fortune, Shotgun News, and American Survival Guide. If you're diligent, you can fly to Puerto Rico where you can buy pharmaceuticals over the counter, and because PR is a territory of the US, there are no customs checks coming back. Some foreign pharmacies will sell drugs to Americans through the internet, no questions asked. What happens when they reach stateside is your problem. Check out information online by typing the following into a search engine. Buy drugs without a prescription worldwide. Drugs can be cheaper in other countries, but there is a risk of US customs taking them. The FDA warns about buying drugs abroad because they say most of them are fakes. It's easy to find a legitimate drug store in a foreign country online, then order drugs from them. The Walmart Mexico website is walmart.com.mx. You can do online searches of online drug stores in countries like Mexico. They will send you the product, but US Custom might confiscate it. pharmacychecker.com/accredited-online-pharmacies. fda.gov/ora/import/purchasing_medications.htm. fda.gov/ora/import/pipinfo.htm. 888 Info FDA. Info about buying drugs in foreign countries. MedicineNet.com, illegal prescription drugs from other countries. European Union. Europa.eu/Europe/citizens/health/prescription-medicine-abroad. BestOnlineForeignPharmacies.com. InternationalDrugMart.com. 1ameds.com. global-rx.com. LifestyleUSA.com, 800 Get Drug. MastersMarketing.com, England. MedRx1.com. PharmacyDirect.com.au, Australia. PharmaGroup.com, Spain. todoservicio.com.ar/pharmacia.rex/rexmenu.htm, Argentina. DrugQuest.com. 800-324-9599. Libertarian Solutions. 66 Francisco Cano. Ocalbejo Los Boliches. 29640 Fungarola. Malaga, Spain. Fax, 34-952-58-18-17. Libzol.net. Pharmacy International. 877-745-9217. Fax, 866-204-1568. info@bestbuyrx.com. bestbuyrx.com. Drugs from Israel. FDA Import Detention List. These are drugs not allowed into the U.S. fda.gov/industry/actions-enforcement/import-alerts. Buying drugs in Mexico. If you have a prescription, you're allowed to buy drugs in Mexico and Canada for your own personal use and bring them back to the United States. In Mexico, it's very easy to get a doctor to write you up a prescription, and there are many drugs that are prescription here that are over the counter there. Drug laws are kind of funny. You can go to a Mexican city across the border, get a Mexican doctor to write you a prescription and sell you a drug right there out of many of the drug stores that cater to Americans, Pharmacia, then when you come across the border back into the US, the federal officials will see it and won't touch it because it doesn't violate federal laws, but state laws differ so that a state trooper could stop you and arrest you because you have a controlled substance according to state law. If you go to Mexico to buy drugs like steroids, Difrenil or other longevity drugs not legal in the US, you might get nabbed at the border, but I was talking to a steroid guy. He told me he goes from New Jersey to Texas about once a month, buys a bunch of steroids there and carries them across the border in a bag such that the customs guys see them but they never bother him about them. Know what you want before you go. When you walk or drive across the border, simply look on the internet or in a phone book for doctors, physicians, drug stores, or pharmacia, or walk down the main drag and look for pharmacia signs. You probably need cash. Many drugs that are illegal here are available there, plus many drugs that are expensive but legal here are cheaper there. Some people go to Mexico to buy their prescription drugs. Have your prescription preferably by both your American doctor and a Mexican doctor. Buying drugs in Mexico information websites. expatden.com/Mexico/drug-stores-in-Mexico. Deodental.com, what are the rules on buying prescription meds from Mexico? Verywellhealth.com/prescription-drugs-from-Mexico-2966765. Los Angeles Times. LA Times.com/2019-08-19/Shop Mexico Canada Cheap Drugs. Mexconnect.com/Best Medication Prices for Expats in Me. International Living. Internationalliving.com, Mexico Prescription Drugs. International Living. Internationalliving.com, Prescription Drug Cost Comparison, US vs Mexico. WebMD.com, Buying Medication in Mexico or Canada. medare.com/blog/post/2023/4/19/stay-safe-in-Mexico. Stay Safe in Mexico, a guide to avoid counterfeit medications. Mexico drugs for sale. Beware that the drugs you buy could be counterfeit. medrx1.com. medsmex.com. medsupport.org. mexicoprescriptions.us. mexmeds4you.com. pharmacymex.com. reliableonlinedrugs.com. rss2.com/feeds/Mexico Prescript Ion Drugs Valium. seekmeds.com, 877-479-2455. zonalatina.com.